So now rectification of errors before preparing the trial balance. So how to rectify errors before the preparation of trial balance. So if you have located the error before preparing the trial balance, and you can even rectify the errors before the preparation of trial balance. If it is a one-sided error, just an explanatory note can be given to that effect for rectification. So you need not pass any entry there. You can just give one single statement to rectify the error. Say for example, purchase book overcast by ₹100. So what is meant by overcast? Which is more than the actual amount. There is an increase of ₹100. The total is more to the extent of ₹100. So now purchase book, what is the nature of balance for purchase? Purchase always has debit balance, right? The nature of balance for purchase is debit. So how it can be rectified? When there is an overcast, you have to give a credit, opposite of it. Nature of balance is debit for purchase. In case of overcasting, you have to give a credit. If it is undercasting, you have to give further debit. So let me explain this small table which can be very useful for you. See, purchase normally has debit balance. I have written that within bracket. Nature of balance for purchase is debit. For purchase return, the nature of balance is credit. For sales, sales has a credit balance. Sales return has a debit balance. That is written within the brackets. Now the next side you can see undercasting. Undercasting means less than the actual. So you can give further debit. When the purchase book is undercast, you can give a further debit. There is a shortage. Undercasting means there is a shortage. So you can have a debit. So in case of purchase return, for undercasting, you have to give a credit. For sales, undercasting credit. For sales return, undercasting debit. If it is more than the actual, when there is an excess, surplus, then nature of balance is debit. You have to give an opposite thing. So in case of overcasting, you have to give a credit for purchase, debit for purchase return, debit for sales, and credit for sales return in case of overcasting. When the amount is in excess, it is called as overcasting. It will just be the opposite of the nature of balance. If the nature of balance is debit, in case of overcasting, it will be opposite. You have to give a credit in order to rectify. So if you remember this, then it is very easy. First thing, you must know about what is undercasting and what is overcasting. Undercasting is less than the actual amount. Shortage. In simple terms, it is shortage. Overcasting is more than the actual amount, which is excess, surplus. Able to understand? Casting means totaling. Casting, the word casting means totaling. If the amount is totaled less than the actual, it is called as undercasting. If it is totaled more than the actual, it is called as overcasting. Then we already know the nature of balance. For purchase is debit. For sales it is credit. For sales return it is debit. For purchase return it is credit. So this is the normal nature of balance for these items. In case of undercasting, it is going to be the same as that of the nature of balance. In case of overcasting, it is going to be the opposite. Here in this example, purchase book overcast by ₹100. This is the error. Overcast, I told you, it is more than the actual. ₹100 is more than the actual amount. Now, we want to rectify this. So, we have spotted this error before preparing the trial balance. So, in case of before the preparation of trial balance and it is just an one-sided error, then a simple explanatory note can be given to that effect. You need not pass any entry here. You can just give a single line statement to that effect in order to rectify the error. That is what we are going to do now. So for this purchase book overcast by rupees 100, we are going to give a rectification note, a single line explanatory note to that effect. For purchase book, the nature of balance is debit. But overcasting is there. It is just the opposite. So you have to give a credit. So credit purchase book with rupees 100. This is the rectification entry. So this is the rectification. This is the error. Purchase book overcast by rupees 100 is an error. For this, we are giving a rectification entry to that extent, right, of rupees 100. So 100 rupees is more. So how to rectify this error? Nature of balance for purchase book is debit. Now we are going to give a credit. This is because of overcasting. So kindly check this table. In case of overcasting, for purchase you are going to give a credit. That's what we have done here. Credit purchase book with rupees 100. Able to understand this? So let me give you few more examples. So first example, sales book undercast by rupees 250. So normally sales book has a credit balance. So in case of undercast, it is less than the actual. So you are going to give again a credit. So the rectification will be credit sales book with rupees 250. So you can see this table here. In case of undercasting, what you have to do? In case of overcasting, what you have to do? You must know. Then the next one, sales return book overcast by rupees 600. Normally, sales return has a debit balance. So in case of overcast, you are going to give a credit. So rectification will be credit sales return book with rupees 600. Third one, purchase return book overcast by rupees 1000, which is more than the actual. Normally, purchase return book has a credit balance. In case of overcast, you are going to give a debit to it. So rectification will be debit purchase return book with rupees 1000. So in case of one-sided error located before the preparation of trial balance, you can just give a single line rectification to that effect. You need not write any entry. You can just give a single line explanation. That is enough for rectification of one-sided error before the preparation of trial balance. If you happen to see the word before the preparation of trial balance in the question, then a single line explanation is more than sufficient. You need not write any entry for it. You can just give a single line explanation for the rectification in case if it is mentioned in the question as before the preparation of trial balance. Note this point clearly. If you locate and rectify the errors before the preparation of trial balance, then you can give a single line explanation to that effect for rectification. No need to write any entries there. The single line explanation is more than sufficient. Is that clear? In case if they mention after the preparation of trial balance, then you will have suspense account. In case if they mention after the preparation of trial balance, then you will come across the word suspense account. You already know as a temporary solution, you would have put the difference under suspense account. In such a case, you have to use that suspense account for rectification if they mention after the preparation of trial balance. Now we are saying before the preparation of trial balance. You able to understand this? I hope you understood about the different types of errors, classification, what are those, and what are the different stages at the stage of writing the journals, or stage of posting, at the stage of balancing, at the time of preparation of the trial balance, before the preparation. Then we have come across the casting, undercasting and overcasting, one-sided error. If it is before the preparation of trial balance, a single line explanation to that effect is required. It is more than sufficient. Able to understand?